Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our business management lecture series. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about managerial levels, managerial skills, and managerial roles. By the end of this lecture, you will understand who a manager is, the essential skills every manager should possess, the three levels of management, and Henry Mintzberg famous 10 managerial roles with real life example. So let's get started. Today's lecture is divided into four parts. First, we will understand who is a manager. Then we will discuss managerial skills. After that, we will learn about the three levels of management. And finally, we will going to study Mintzberg 10 managerial roles with some practical examples. Let's begin with a simple question. Who is a manager? A manager is a person who plans, organizes, leads, and controls the work of a team to achieve organizational goals efficiently and effectively. So, in simple words, हम कह सकते हैं कि मैनेजर का काम सिर्फ ऑर्डर्स देना नहीं होता है. Their responsibility is to ensure that the right people are doing the right work at the right time. For example, a school principal manages teachers and staff, while a supermarket manager supervises employees, handles customers, and ensures that daily operations run smoothly. So, every successful organization depends on effective managers. Now, let's look at a real life example. One of the best examples of a successful manager is Mr. Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft. When he became CEO, Microsoft was facing tough competition. Through his leadership, innovation, and people first approach, he completely transformed the company. His major qualities include excellent leadership, strong communication, problem solving ability, people oriented management, and achieving organizational goals successfully. That's why Satya Nadella is considered one of the world's best business leaders. Now, let's understand the skills every manager should have. The first skill is the technical skills. So, what is technical skill? These are the knowledge and abilities required to perform a specific job effectively. Second kind of skill is human skills. These help managers communicate, motivate employees, build teamwork, and resolve the conflicts. Third type of skill a manager should have is the conceptual skills. These enable managers to understand the organization as a whole and think strategically. Last but not the least, diagnostic skills. These skills help managers identify problems, analyze the situations, and make the right decisions. Remember, a successful manager does not rely on just one skill. They use all of these four depending on the situation. So, we will understand these skills in the next slide in a good example. Let's understand these skills through a real life example. Toyota Motors is known worldwide for its excellent management practices. Toyota follows the famous just in time production system, where materials arrive only when they are needed. This reduces waste, lowers the production cost, improves efficiency and maintains high product quality. यही रीजन है कि टोयोटा दुनिया की मोस्ट एफिशिएंट ऑटोमोबाइल कंपनी में से एक है. Now, let's move to the next topic, the three levels of management. This is an important topic when it comes to examination point of view. So, every organization has three types of levels, which are top level management, middle level management, and lower level management. Each level has different responsibilities, but all of them work together to achieve the organization's objectives. Now, let's understand all the levels one by one. First, we will study about the top level management. What is top level management? Top level management क्या करती है? So top level management is responsible for setting the company's vision, mission, and the long-term strategy. Okay, so whatever strategies are making, the top level managers are doing that. सेकेंड इज द मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट. मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट क्या करती है? मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट वो जो स्ट्रैटेजी है उनको कन्वर्ट करती है एक्शन प्लान्स में और कोऑर्डिनेट्स करती है विद डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स. देन कम्स टू लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट. अब लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट का क्या काम है? लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट सुपरवाइज करती है एम्प्लॉयज को एंड इंश्योर करती है कि डे टू डे ऑपरेशंस स्मूथली रन हो सके. ठीक है, सो यू कैन थिंक ऑफ इट एज अ चेन वेयर एवरी लेवल सपोर्ट्स द नेक्स्ट लेवल. ओके, सो लेवल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए आप इस तरीके का डायग्राम यूज कर सकते हैं अपने एग्जामिनेशन में लिखने के लिए. सो टॉप लेवल मैनेजर्स का अगर आप राइट साइड पे देखेंगे अपने, सो एग्जांपल्स हैं. कौन होते हैं टॉप लेवल मैनेजर्स? सीईओ ऑफ द कंपनी, प्रेसिडेंट, vice president and directors of the company. So these people comes under the top level managers जो long term strategy बनाते हैं organization के लिए. फिर हम देखते हैं मिडिल लेवल मैनेजर्स कौन होते हैं. मिडिल लेवल मैनेजर्स के अंदर आते हैं डिपार्टमेंट मैनेजर्स, डिवीजन मैनेजर्स, ब्रांच मैनेजर्स एंड एनी मैनेजर्स विच वर्क्स अंडर द टॉप लेवल मैनेजर्स. ओके, सो मिडिल लेवल मैनेजर्स क्या करते हैं? जो स्ट्रैटेजी टॉप लेवल मैनेजर्स ने बनाई है उसको अब इम्प्लीमेंट करने का काम मिडिल लेवल मैनेजर्स का होता है. उसको कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, उसकी प्लानिंग कैसे करनी है, वो मिडिल लेवल मैनेजर्स का काम होता है. Now comes lower level managers. Lower level managers में कौन आते हैं? टीम लीडर्स, सुपरवाइजर्स, फोरमैन एंड शिफ्ट मैनेजर्स. ये लोग क्या करते हैं? ये ओवरसी करते हैं कि डेली के डेली एम्प्लॉयज ठीक से काम कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. दे मैनेज द फ्रंट लाइन एम्प्लॉयज एंड इंश्योर टास्क आर कंप्लीटेड एफिशिएंटली. सो ये जो लेवल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट हैं ये आपको अच्छे से पढ़ने हैं, अच्छे से लर्न करने हैं, क्योंकि इसका क्वेश्चन मोस्टली एग्जाम्स में आता ही आता है. तो इनको आप अच्छे से लर्न करिएगा. ओके, सो मैंने लेवल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट को यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ आपको एक्सप्लेन करा है. सैमसंग. सैमसंग सबको पता है कि वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बेस्ड कंपनी है. यहाँ पर भी टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट है, मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट है और लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट है. सो टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट जो है सैमसंग की, वो डिसाइड करती है फ्यूचर बिजनेस स्ट्रेटजीज एंड हाउ टू गो ग्लोबल एक्सपेंशन के बारे में. देन मिडिल लेवल मैनेजर्स क्या करते हैं? दे कोऑर्डिनेट डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स लाइक मार्केटिंग, प्रोडक्शन, फाइनेंस, ओके, एंड मेक प्लान एंड कोऑर्डिनेट एक्टिविटीज. थर्ड, द लोअर लेवल मैनेजर्स क्या करते हैं? दे सुपरवाइज एम्प्लॉयज ऑन द फैक्ट्री एंड इंश्योर प्रोडक्शन टारगेट्स आर अचीव्ड. इसी टीम वर्क की वजह से सैमसंग कंसिस्टेंटली ग्लोबल मार्केट में सक्सेसफुल रही है अब तक. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरीज इन मैनेजमेंट. अकॉर्डिंग टू Henry Mintzberg, every manager performs 10 different managerial roles. These roles are grouped into three categories. First is interpersonal roles, second is informational roles, and third is decisional roles. These roles explain what managers actually do in their day-to-day work. So in each heading, there are few points. Interpersonal roles needs figurehead person, a leader, and a liaison. Informational roles need a monitor, disseminator, and a spokesperson. Decisional roles need an entrepreneur, disturbance handler, resource allocator, and negotiator. Now, let's discuss these 10 managerial roles according to Mintzberg one by one. So, under interpersonal roles, the first one is the figurehead. What is figurehead? Figurehead means a person who represents the organization as well as motivates the team. So, every manager needs to become a figurehead to its company because he needs to represent the organization to other people as well as he needs to motivate the team. Second point or second role under this is a leader. Manager leads a team, a department, or an entire organization. Third point is licensing. develops and maintains internal and external relationships. Manager not only develop and maintain the relationship within the organization but outside the organization also, with the suppliers, with the clients, okay, or with the customers. Now these three were the roles under the interpersonal roles. Second type is informational roles. Under informational roles, there are three types of roles. First is monitor. As the name suggests, monitor is a person who identify problems and opportunities for growth. Disseminator shares data and communicates it effectively. Third role is a spokesperson. Manager speaks for the organization, defending the company's interest. So these 3 points comes under informational roles. Next are the decisional roles. In decisional role, first role is an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur कौन होता है? Who organizes and runs business processes. Second is disturbance handler. Disturbance handler कौन होता है? Who fix the problem and maintain productivity. Then comes resource allocator. Resource allocator means who determines how and where to apply the organizational resources, means optimum utilization of organizational resources. Last is the negotiator who participates in negotiation. Negotiation का मतलब सबको पता है, it's called doing bargaining. Okay, so participates in negotiation. Managers always do the negotiations with other people, trying to reach their goals. Okay, so these are the 10 important managerial roles which you need to learn from the examination point of view. Let's understand these roles through Satya Nadella ji. As a figurehead person, he represents Microsoft at global events also. As a leader, he motivates employees. As a license, he builds partnership with companies like OpenAI. As a monitor, he keeps track of technology trends. As a disseminator, he shares important information with employees. As a spokesperson, he represents Microsoft before investors and the media. As an entrepreneur, he introduced AI innovations and expanded Microsoft Azure. As a disturbance handler, he successfully managed the company during difficult situations like COVID 19. As a resource allocator, he decides where Microsoft should invest its money and resources. And finally, as a negotiator, he handles major acquisitions and strategic business deals. This is why Satya Nadella ji is considered a perfect example of Mintzberg 10 managerial roles. So, students, let's quickly recap today's lecture. We learned who a manager is and why managers are essential for every organization. We discussed the 4 important managerial skills. We understood the 3 levels of management with example of Samsung. And finally, we explored Mintzberg's 10 managerial roles using Satya Nadella as a real life example. I hope this lecture helped you understand these concepts in a simple and practical way. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your classmates and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next business management lecture.